In the last video, I built an AI support agent from scratch in about 10 minutes. If you have not seen that one, I will link it in here because this is where all the setup happens. This video is the test. I want to see what happens when a caller is genuinely frustrated, repeating themselves, or not getting what they want. There are no edits on the call itself. Let's see how it does.
Can you tell me what you need help with today?
Yeah, I placed an order 6 days ago. It still has not arrived. I have an event this weekend. I absolutely need this. I have no idea what to do.
I'm sorry about that. Did you get a shipping confirmation email with a tracking link you can check?
Yes, I did get one. I checked it. It says out for delivery. It's been like that for 3 days. Nothing has shown up. I really don't know what to do.
Thanks for checking. Please take a quick look around your property and with neighbors or building manager, just in case. If still missing, I can start an investigation with the carrier now. It takes up to 3 business days. Would you like me to open that for you?
3 more business days? I do not have 3 more business days. This event is Saturday. I need this now. I don't want to check anything. I want to speak to a human.
I can transfer you to a senior support agent right now to help expedite this. Do you want me to connect you?
Yes, please connect me. Okay, a few things worth pointing out here. It actually tried to help first. It did not immediately just route me. It walked through the relevant steps, acknowledged a deadline, and only when I said, this is unacceptable, I tried all of the above, and I asked for a human, did it move. There was no second attempt to fix it, no asking me to try something else, and the person picking up that call already has a summary of the situation. They know the order has been stuck for 3 days, that I have a deadline on Saturday, and that I asked for a human. They're not going to be starting from zero. Now, let me try a different scenario where I don't even want to try anything.
I am your AI assistant. Can you tell me what you need help with today?
Yeah, your delivery service is absolute joke. I have been waiting 6 days. I have already called about this. Nobody has done anything, and I'm done. I want a refund. I want a manager. I want someone to actually fix this thing.
I'm really sorry this has dragged on. I can get you to a senior support agent right now to sort delivery and refund options.
Yes,
Shall I
please.
transfer you?
Yes, please do that. Do that. Okay, that was one response. It did not try to troubleshoot when I was clearly past that point. It did not ask clarifying questions. It just acknowledged it and got out of the way. Those were 2 very different calls with 2 appropriate responses. And of course, I've built them that way. The first one tried to help and escalated when I asked. The second one recognized immediately that the conversation was not going anywhere and moved fast. If you want to try this for yourself, click the links down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.